All right. The seventh section of lesson 36-1 covers questions 15 and 16. So let's take a look. It says instead of gathering information from all 1,250 students in the school, Olivia suggests that Zach conduct a survey of 40 students. It says a sample is a portion of the population. A good sample looks like the entire population and provides useful information about the population. Sampling error occurs because particular subgroups of the population are missing from the sample or are overrepresented. Sampling error is called sample selection bias. Question 15 says, what is the population of Zach's survey and what is the sample? It also says Olivia warned Zach to choose his sample wisely, a selection method that produces samples that are not representative of the total population will introduce a sampling error into the process. Number 16, explain why each sampling method produces sampling error when surveying the school's population. The first option, Zach asked 30 students in his algebra class how many minutes they spend per school night text messaging with friends. And B says, Zach leaves questionnaires on the table in the main hall. One of the question asks students to indicate the number of minutes they spend per school night text messaging with friends. All right, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you work with your table mates on questions 15 and 16. We're going to work on this for about 7 minutes to come up with these answers. Go ahead and pause your video now. The answers to questions 15 and 16 have now been provided. Let's take a look at number 15. The population of Zach's survey is going to be the entire school population, 1,250 students. The sample is going to be just the people he asked, so the 40 students he's going to survey. Now, talking about sampling error here in question 16, with A, the problem with this is he's only asking the kids in his Algebra 1 class. So usually Algebra 1 students all represent the same grade level. So this is not a great sample because it does not cover the entire population. It's only covering a subgroup of the population. In part B, when he leaves these questionnaires on the table, the one problem with this could be is that these questionnaires are on a first come, first served basis. So maybe you're walking in together as a group of friends. Well, you may all be of the same age group, or you could all be of the same um, extracurricular activities, such as football or basketball. So you might be a little bit biased compared to if he got somebody from every subgroup to represent his entire population. On to your debriefing question.